Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ernada Elamarapani from 3B class. Today I will talking about English as a global language. So we know about some countries in this world, on our world, is use English language for general language. Yeah, like England and USA. Today, in this video, not we're talking about some point of English as a global language. Yeah, global Englishes, global Englishes. The term of English is encapsulate the reality that there is no singular English anymore. Instead, there are multiple Englishes, each shaped by culture and history and needs of the region where the language has taken root. For example, Indian English has unique idiomatic expression like prepone to move an event to an earlier date, while Singaporean English or Singlish blend English with Malay, Tamil, and Chinese influence. This diversity reflects how language evolves to accommodate its speakers, creating a tapestry of variation tied to their context. Second is language as a tool. Language is not just a medium to communication, but a mirror of the realities of its speakers. Localized Localized English varieties in corporate terms and structure that express the specific interest, lifestyle, and challenging of their communities. For instance, Nigerian English often integrates local proverbs and concepts that have no direct equivalence in standard English. This adaptability makes English a living tool for identity formation, enabling communities to express their distinct cultures while participating in global communication. The next is historical perspective. David Crystal point to development of American English from the 16th centuries as a striking example of how quickly language can change when introduced to a new environment. In early settlers in America adopted indigenous words like skunk and squash, while also modifying their pronunciation and vocabulary to suit their new reality. This process of adaptation is ongoing as a cultural shift and technological advancement continuously influence. Next is lexical riches. The evolution of English into a global language has greatly enriched its vocabulary. When English interacts with other language, it absorbs new words that describe concepts or items unique to those cultures. For example, from Japanese, karaoke and tsunami. So from South African language is apartheid and Ubuntu. From Indian language, bungalow and jungle. This lexical borrowing highlights English open and flexible nature, making it one of the most expansive and inclusive language. Next is cross-cultural communication. Cultural references embedded in local English varieties can create confusion for outsiders. For instance, in South Africa, robot refers to a traffic light, and a term that can baffle visitors unfamiliar with is local context. Similarly, the term biscuit means different things in British English. A sweet or savory cookie, yeah, that is in British. In American, biscuit is a type of bread roll. Bread roll. This variation underscores the importance of cultural awareness in navigating the global landscape of English. The next is cultural nuances. Expression like Clapham Junction, a reference to a famously busy railway station in London, illustrate how certain idioms or phrases depends on local knowledge, such as expression, and enrich the language for those in the know, but many alienate or confused speakers from other region. This dynamic reveals how language both connects and divides depending on the cultural familiarity of its user. The next is shared experience. Whether they are learning English as a second language or using it as their native tongue, speakers often encounter unfamiliar terms when interacting with people from different regions. For instance, British and American speakers might struggle with Australian slang like arvo or afternoon or bricky for breakfast. This universality of linguistic challenge reminds us of the ever-evolving and shared journey of understanding within the global English-speaking community. By exploring this point, David Crystal emphasizes the richness and complexity of English as a global language. Its evolution is a testament to its flexibility and relevance, adapting to reflect of the cultures and societies that use it. This adaptability ensures its continued growth and its central role in global communication. So, thank you for watching. That's from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon.